Hey, what up, y'all? My name is Tiara, otherwise known as Dapper Deja, and welcome to my channel. This is the first of many cooking videos that we will be bringing to you. So, me and my fiance love nothing more but to cook, and this is our take on shrimp and grits. So we just wanted to show you how we did our blackened shrimp and andouille cauliflower risotto. This recipe is keto friendly and perfect for meal preps. So keep watching and find out how we did it. This recipe, you'll need peeled and deveined shrimp, andouille sausage, cauliflower, shallots, spinach, a yellow pepper, some butter, minced garlic, heavy cream, and some blackening seasoning. First, we're going to start off by melting 4 tablespoons of butter in the microwave. Don't forget to get your jig on while you're doing it. Then we're going to add in 4 tablespoons of our blackening seasoning to the butter. And go ahead and toss that all over your shrimp. One thing that you will all come to learn about me is that I am clumsy AF. So right about here is where I fell off camera and my fiance started laughing at me. But I'm all good, so we're just gonna shake that off and start dancing. First, I'm shredding the 1 head of cauliflower using just a simple hand grater, nothing special. For me, this is a way easier method than trying to cut the cauliflower using a knife. We then cut the andouille sausage into slices with a medium thickness and then cut those slices in half. Next, we peeled and diced our shallots, but warning, girl, these little hoes can hurt worse than onions. Yeah, y'all, so I'm gonna go try now. The shallots suck, okay? They're like little devil onions. I literally can't. Oh, it burns.
Shallot, 2 or 3.
No, tell me how the shallots make you feel, babe.
The shallots suck, okay?
After you shed a few tears, come back and chop up 1 bell pepper of your choice. We picked a yellow pepper. Heat up some olive oil and minced garlic in your pan. We chose our cast iron just for a little added flavor. You want to use about a medium to high heat. Add 4 tablespoons of olive oil to the cauliflower. One great thing about cauliflower is that it absorbs any flavor that you put in it, so season it however you'd like. We use salt, pepper, garlic, paprika, a little bit of Old Bay, and just a little onion powder. Using the same pan, go ahead and add some butter and saute the shrimp over medium heat. Be sure to not overcook it, it won't take too long. Next, saute the shallots and diced peppers in some olive oil and garlic. And enjoy this slow motion. I just had to slow it down. The shrimp was looking way too good. Add a couple handfuls of chopped spinach to the pan and then throw in the cauliflower. Let the cauliflower sit for about 5 minutes undisturbed and then give it a mix and another 5 minutes. To give our cauliflower that creamy risotto or grit-like effect, we're gonna add 1 cup of heavy cream. This is the step that brings all the richness to the dish. So after that, just go and season to taste. Finally, we're gonna cover our pan and let it simmer until your stomach starts growling at you because the smells in this kitchen, let me tell you. And while that happens, enjoy the corniness that is me and my fiance. Once all is said and done, you can go ahead and enjoy. But don't forget to meal prep. 1 head of cauliflower usually makes about 4 servings for us, so feel free to adjust the recipe up or down however you need it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more videos from your girl, Dapper Deja.